Welcome everyone, I'm Jake and we're back at Cobra Sport for another development rollout day. Now with a few successful predecessors, we're all welcoming back the BMW M135. So with slightly refreshed looks, but ultimately the same four-wheel drive 300 brake horsepower platform as the previous generation, the B48 in the 135 doesn't exactly scream performance car. So let's have a quick look and a listen, see what the Cobra Sport development team have managed to do to rectify that. So working as a valve GPF back system, our exhaust, as always, is made from T304 stainless steel and utilises TIG welding for a superior finish. And mentioning the valves, a little bit different on this one. Rather than operating on your drive modes, the 135's valve functionality works purely on your throttle input, which, in conjunction with this exhaust system, works rather well. As soon as your right foot's a little bit heavy, the valves open up, allowing your exhaust gases to pass straight through the tubes, giving you all the noise you want. But then, as soon as your foot lets off the throttle, the valves close back up, rerouting your gases back through the resonator, which means you're not going to get any of that annoying drone or cabin resonance as you're hammering it. As soon as you let off, everything's rerouted through the silencer, nice and quiet. Happy days all round. To finish off the system, you've got your 4-inch tailpipes, nicely fitting out the 135's diffuser, as always available in stainless steel, ceramic black or carbon fibre. So that's the exhaust system. We've had a good look at it, let's have a listen to it. With the 135 just to see how that valve functionality works out in real life driving. As mentioned, as soon as your foot's down, your valves are open, so you get all the noise, such as this. And then when you let off, valves close back up, sending your exhaust gases through that resonator back to peace, calm and ultimate bliss. So there you have it, the Cobra Sport valve GPF back system for the new BMW M135. Now as always, if any of the terminology in today's video didn't quite make sense, head over to YouTube and search Exhaust Talk, where we answer your questions on our exhausts. Alternatively, pick up the phone and give us a bell. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.